Here's how to reload the revolvers in Animal Company if you got them early in the new game. So, to show that they're empty, yeah, they're empty. Okay, you will need a friend to do this. So, what you're gonna do, you're gonna put your revolvers in a backpack like this. Put in the code 1076. Bam. And your friend will have to join that code too. As you can see, there's my friend. Put my backpack on this one slice of pizza. 1076 space, enter. Just like that. Bam. Got that. Put it on the back. 1076 space, rejoin. My friend's still here.